Okay, so now I'm just changing to check out. That echo is super cool. If you want to know what gun Matt is shooting here at his range, this is his gun range on his ranch. What kind of gun is it?
MP40.
Okay, I'm so happy. I've been wanting to do a photo shoot since before COVID. Oh, it's so pretty, isn't it? And I couldn't because of COVID, and so it's my first time to get out and do a photo shoot, and I'm in a little tiny bikini or full piece or whatever, and it was amazing. And I just did boom, 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 fast shots. And the lighting is harsh and the sand is white, so I look very thin. So fantastic, fun photo shoot, impromptu with Matt and Anna, some of my best friends.
Because the mountain's cool and all, but it takes away. You're the focus. This is like another planet right here.
This is Matt instructing me on where to go. Oh, I was just laughing because you asked me if I could get on my knees.
Or get down. I can't get a picture of you standing up here.
Lay down on this beautiful thing, but we have a drone to fly over you.
This is the stuff they sell at the rock show with the little dendrites in it. And at the rock show they have something like little trees. I'm sure they're here too if we find them.
We go to Tucson's International Rock Show every year. All the gems, minerals, and crystals you could find. Okay, so I think we're just wrapping my impromptu photo shoot here in the desert. We tried this pink bathing suit, which is more boobs than I like to give. It's all about lighting. You learn that it's all about lighting. And then we came here to this little dark area, and they turned out so cute and so great. So I hope you like. Okay, welcome to photo shoot day 2 in the desert of Texas. Awesome swimming hole we're at back there. Here's a little cool little rift we found. Matt was just telling me.
When the water's running and there's a waterfall right there, it makes a little pool. It's got to be phenomenal in here. It keeps you out of the sun. It's a cool place to chill.
I thought this was, oh my God. Okay, so I'm here in this cave. Day 2 photo shooting. These caves provide the coolest light. Like, you could see it's very harsh, but on the cameras, I mean, click the button, no photos, like no Photoshop needed or anything. Here's Miss Beautiful Anna getting Matt in his European styled Speedo.
I love when you look there.
Which, don't knock him for having the courage. I mean, it's pretty normal in Europe, and he likes that, so.
For this watch you're wearing.
Walmart, only the best.
Okay, nowhere we won't venture to for the perfect shot. We're walking down a tiny little creek tributary. What is it called when they come off of the main creek? Okay, finally off the little tiny creek. I thought I'd show you the difference. Like, look, you could tell all of a sudden the ground has this red, I don't know, forgive me for not knowing, limestone or something, coming out into the big
Calcite.
Terlingua, red calcite. Check it out, it's beautiful. Matt's getting the drone ready. Isn't it just gorgeous, guys? How can you not make beautiful photos in this? tell me what you are doing.
I'm gonna fly the drone down the canyon because this is one of the greenest parts on the ranch, and so I wanted to show some trees instead of just Gobi Desert.
And what kind of gun do you have with you?
Oh, I got my MP40, got my Ruger Vaquero 6-shooter, you know, always trusty. Sometimes automatics jam. When you get into a pickle, you want something that's been proven for 100 years.
And this is Anna. She's our Moldovan friend. She's lived all over the world and speaks 7 wonderful languages. Oh, I forgot to show you my getup. There's our drone taking off. I love it. When you're out on the ranch, it doesn't really matter what you're wearing, you know? I drank me a little like a nice wine thingy driving here because you're on your own land. There's nothing you could really hit except the ditch too hard.
I mean, that's the sunny place, not the sun.
You mean away from the sun?
Yeah, well,
It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. What truth? That you are a slave.
Oh, that's great. E.T. came home. See, the drone, I don't know much about these tech things, but it memorizes where it began, and so it will land in the same spot. So it sits there trying to think, like, well, where did I land? Where did I land? Where's the safe landing? Do I have it right, Matt?
Yeah, that's right.
A little guy. You've got all these little army markings on you. What do these mean, Matt?
Oh, this is my friend Dave's, and he's British, so he's got little Spitfire pictures on there.
oh, he did it himself?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, most of you guys have seen drone technology, but for those who haven't, they're little tiny little guys. They go in these little cute little purses. So Matt just told Anna she's the first person in human history to wear a white dress and flip-flops down this creek bed. How many models do you know trek it and hike like this for a shot? Now I gotta put up or shut up and get one in. Are we here, Matt?
Well, there's water right around this corner, but this is a good spot to set stuff. What do you want to do?
Beware of this shit. Oh.
And what kind of cow? What is cow poop?
That's a cow. Yeah.
Wild cows?
Donkey, actually. This is donkey.
Wild donkey. Okay, don't
Yeah.
fucking touch it. Are you fucking
Yeah,
kidding?
this one.
Matt,
This one is 3 hours old.
we don't have water and then you have like bugs.
What?
We're gonna eat after that.
So?
Poop is natural.
I grew up playing with this shit. Beth and I would throw this at each other as kids.
Yeah, but you get bugs of this, you know?
I know. That's why we have a strong immune system. That's why we survived COVID.
I know, that's why I know.
Okay?
We survived COVID. I feel like my song is being drowned out by the big flies that they have here. Here's, I hope I'm in frame because I'm going to tell you, there's a kissing me fly. And the bug bites you. It's a kissing me bug. The bug bites you, then it poops on you, right? And then when you go to itch it, you itch the poop into the little wound, and 10 years later you die. Google it. Now, if we could run down the creek fast enough, we're gonna get some cool shots, photo shoots. And then we're gonna run to Egypt, which is also part of the ranch, the sand dunes, and we're gonna take apocalyptic, the world is ending photos.
Woo! Everybody's dead.